Ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now with more exciting features.
Look, as a individual, I feel nothing change should happen. But on the other side, I would like to request that India, the name of our great country, also being, I feel it's like a misuse by our own political benefit. So like what they call the other opposition alliance, their alliance name has been narrowed down in the full form, in the short form as a India, which they never read out whole sentence, but they always talk about India. The name of India become the political party, which I feel it is not looks nice. It hurt me also. I would request the leaders of this political party, if that India nomenclature of this great country should not, if not been used, could have been better. And also maybe look, the politics is politics. Since the other side, the India name is being used, maybe there may be some irritate to use this India term again and again. Maybe because of this political irritation, because of this political hanging around, maybe that so that may be the issue. But I feel like the status quo of this great nation be continue as it is. Myself, no, because it is it's our country. We have been born of and brought up, and this name should continue. What I feel personally, and to me personally, that India name should be continue.